Welcome and thank you for taking the time to join this webinar. If you are looking for an opportunity to build an international business in the gold and diamond sector, without risk, without startup capital, and without your own infrastructure, then you should pay very close attention over the next few minutes. Imagine this for a moment. You are running your own international business in the gold and diamond market. Your customers buy through your own platform, under your own brand, and you offer products that are normally only accessible to large professional traders. You don't need to store inventory, you don't need startup capital, and you don't need to manage logistics or infrastructure. Instead, you focus on what truly matters: customers, growth, and revenue. That is exactly what this webinar is about. Today, I will show you how you can build your own business in the gold and diamond sector using our white label platform. Scalable, international, and with zero risk. So let's begin. The market for gold, precious metals, and diamonds is one of the most valuable and stable markets in the world. However, entering this market is usually extremely difficult. Why? Because traditional traders typically need large startup capital, their own inventory, international supply chains, secure logistics, and complex infrastructure. Our solution completely changes that. We provide a fully developed white label sales platform that allows you to sell precious metals and diamonds under your own brand, online, offline, and worldwide. Your customers see your brand, your store, and your offer, while a powerful infrastructure operates in the background. But the real difference lies in the business model itself. As a partner, you start with a structure that was designed to eliminate the typical risks of trading. You have zero risk, zero costs, zero prepayment. You only purchase products after your customer has already bought them. This means no inventory, no upfront capital. At the same time, you receive your own sales platform, including a landing page, sales terminal, My Store, API integration, the buyback module, and an own newsletter system. And most importantly, you gain access to an extraordinary inventory, more than 1.3 million diamonds and 700 to 1,500 precious metal products. All of them are available in real time, which means you can start selling immediately. But what actually happens when a customer places an order? This is where the model becomes extremely powerful. The entire infrastructure behind the platform is fully automated. Once your customer completes a purchase, our system handles packaging, insurance, shipping, and invoicing. Everything runs automatically in the background. You don't need to manage operations or logistics. But there is another key element of this business model. You also have the opportunity to build your own partner network. Every partner you introduce becomes permanently part of your structure. Over time, this creates a growing international network with long-term revenue potential. To support your professional development, you also receive a certified training program as a precious metals and diamond consultant. This business model is especially suitable for professionals who already work with clients, such as jewelers, financial advisors, brokers, bankers, entrepreneurs, and investors. But let's take a closer look at how this partnership works. The idea behind this white label platform is simple. You build your own business without the typical barriers of entering the precious metals industry. Every partner receives a ready-to-use sales platform. This platform works online, in personal consultations, and worldwide. You don't need inventory, products, or startup capital. We provide the entire infrastructure, which means you can focus on what truly builds a successful business: sales, customer relationships, and growth. Now let's look at what you receive from day one. As a partner, you immediately gain access to a complete sales ecosystem. This includes your own platform with a landing page, your personal My Store, API integration, and an order terminal. You can instantly access a product portfolio of up to 1,500 precious metal products and more than 1.3 million diamonds. The price range starts at around €500 and goes up to more than 12 million euros. In addition, you receive a variety of digital tools, including a gold calculator, a watch calculator, a newsletter system, a contact form, and a digital buyback system. In other words, you receive a complete sales infrastructure that would normally take years to develop. But the key question is, of course, how do you earn money with this model? The concept is straightforward. You sell products under your own brand. A purchase contract is only created when your customer actually buys. That means for you, no risk. At the same time, you can build your own partner network. Every partner you introduce becomes permanently part of your structure, and you participate in the revenue generated by your network. An important detail: new partners can only register through existing partners. Direct registration with the company is not possible. This ensures a fair and stable structure for everyone involved. But of course, a model like this requires a strong infrastructure behind it. Our company manages all operational processes in the background. This includes infrastructure, storage and inventory, packaging, insurance, shipping, invoicing, security and compliance payments can also be processed via bank transfer or cryptocurrency. All processes are fully automated, which means while you focus on customers and growth, the entire operational side runs smoothly in the background. But who is actually behind this platform? Our company has been active internationally since 2019 and currently operates in 5 countries. Our management team and partners bring extensive experience from the fields of precious metals, diamonds, and the financial markets. Our systems were specifically designed so that partners can focus entirely on sales and customer relationships while we handle the infrastructure and operational processes. Which brings us to an important question. Why is now the right time to start? Right now is a particularly strategic moment. We assign partner regions very carefully and strategically. In each region, we are looking for one strong partner. This means that early partners have the opportunity to establish a very strong market position. And the best part is, there are no startup costs. The entire infrastructure is already in place. You can start immediately and sell live. So let's take one final look at the bigger picture. If you are ready to build a scalable international business, develop your own network and structure, and enter one of the most stable asset markets in the world, then this white label platform offers an exceptional opportunity. You start without risk, with a fully developed infrastructure, and with a business model that can grow worldwide. I would be very happy to welcome you soon as a partner. Please contact your representative so that we can prepare your onboarding and start together. Thank you very much for your time, and hopefully see you soon as our partner.